Hi and welcome to your tutorial video. Fincon Accounting provides you with the functionality to do bank reconciliations. This is commonly known as processing your bank statement or doing the cash book. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a bank reconciliation, looking at how to reconcile the following entry types: receipts from debtors, payments to suppliers, bank deposits or journals, and payments or receipts that need to be posted to a ledger account. Log into Fincon Accounting. Navigate to Ledger, then to Bank Reconciliation, and lastly to Bank Entry Reconciliation. First I'm going to show you how to reconcile receipts from debtors. Start with entering the bank reconciliation details. Enter a reference in the reference text box. Enter the reconciliation period in the recon period text box. Enter the reconciliation date in the recon date text box. Now you can start to process the bank reconciliation entries. Enter REC in the entry text box. Enter or select the receipt number in the receipt text box. You can call up a list of receipts by right-clicking the receipt text box or pressing F2 on your keyboard after you have clicked the receipt text box. If you need more help with the search function, refer to the article linked beneath this video. Enter the date of the receipt as reflected on the bank statement in the date text box. Change the entry in the payee text box if required. Click the Accept button. When you are done with the reconciliation, you can print it, but I'm not done, so I'm not going to do it at this stage. I'll show you how to do this at the end of the video. Now let's look at how to reconcile payments to suppliers. If you want to reconcile another entry type during the same bank reconciliation, you do not need to re-enter the bank reconciliation details like the reference and so on. Enter BX in the entry box and press Enter. Specify the search options and click the OK button. Select the appropriate bank transfer and press Enter. If you need more help with the search function, refer to the article linked beneath this video. Enter the date of the payment as reflected on the bank statement in the date text box. Change the entry in the payee text box if required. Change the entry in the recon text box to Y. Click the Accept button. Let's move on to bank deposits or journals. Enter ENT in the entry text box and press Enter. Select the appropriate bank deposit or journal and press Enter. Click the Accept button. Lastly, let's look at payments or receipts that need to be posted to ledger accounts. Enter XFR in the entry text box. Enter the date of the transaction in the date text box. Enter the description of the transaction in the payee text box. Enter or select the relevant ledger account in the Accounts column. You can call up a list of ledger accounts by right-clicking the Account column or pressing F2 on your keyboard after you have clicked the Account column. If you need more help with the search function, refer to the article linked beneath this video. Enter the transaction amount in the Bank Amount column. Note that if money was received, the bank amount must be a negative amount, and if the money was paid, the amount must be a positive amount. The reason for this is because of the double entry system in accounting. When money is received, it means that the bank account gets debited, represented by a positive amount in Fincon, and the contra account gets credited, represented by a negative amount in Fincon. Enter or select the appropriate tax code for the transaction in the Code column. Click the Accept button. And that's how you reconcile the different entry types. Now that we're done, we can go ahead and print if we'd like. Do this by clicking the Print button, specifying the print options, and clicking the OK button. or you can click the Cancel button to close the window. If you want to exit the window without printing, the following message box will appear. The bank reconciliation has not been printed. Are you sure you want to exit? Click the Yes button. And that wraps up how to do a bank reconciliation in Fincon Accounting. Thank you for watching and happy accounting!